99% people mess up when machining aluminum. A lot of people think aluminum is soft and easy to machine, but it actually has high requirements for cutting tools, parameters, and cooling. Aluminum has great thermal conductivity but a low melting point. If you are not careful, you will gum up your tools and end up with a bad surface quality and short tool life. Number 1. Speed matters but don't go overboard. Aluminum loves high-speed cutting. We usually recommend spindle speeds between 12,000 to 20,000 RPM, depending on the tool diameter and the coating. High speeds help create continuous chips and reduce cutting forces. Number 2. Tool choice is crucial. Go for 2 or 3 flutes and mills specifically designed for aluminum, and always choose high-quality carbide tools with a polished finish. The cutting edge must be sharp and the chip remove channels should be large to prevent clogging and overheating. Number 3. Don't skimp on cooling. Aluminum heats up fast and sticks to tools, so we recommend air cooling or minimum quality lubrication. This is not only keeps things cool but avoids oxidation issues that come with traditional water cooling. Number 4. Secure clamping is a must. Aluminum is lightweight, so if the clamping force isn't enough or the fixture isn't designed right, you will get vibrations, tool shifts, and possibly surface damage or dimensions issues. Number 5. Feed rate has not matched the speed. Typically, we set chip load around 0.05 to 0.1 mm per tool, and the feed speed at 1,000 to 3,000 mm per minute. This ensures smooth, efficient cut. In a summary, aluminum is easy to cut, but to cut it fast and steady, you need proper parameters and process control. When it comes to milling aluminum, you don't rely on guesses, just data and experience. Feel free to message me and share your experience in the comments. I'm Chloe. See you next time. Bye.